Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of OP, TIA, LDO, INJ and QNT. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of OP USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at the trend of OP, is so currently it is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation at 1.604. After that it exposed the final target of 1.060. That was the strong support level on 1 day time frame according to this candle. And if you look at the wick of this candle has already achieved its final target. Currently, prices are consolidating at 1.158. And if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from it. And that exit point will be at 1.392, as this coin is moving in its downtrend. So I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 1.392. The next coin is the TIA. So if we look at the TIA USDC, so currently this coin is also moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this falling triangle formation in this candle. After that it exposed the two targets on downside where its first target was at 2.999 and its final target is at 1.607. And if you look at these candles has already achieved its first target, and currently prices are consolidating at 3.694. And if you guys have bought this coin at high rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin is giving you a chance to exit from this coin at and that exit point is 50 EMA resistance, that is 3.971. And if you look at yesterday's candle, its wick has already tested this level, that is a 3.971. So if you want to get exit from this kind, the price currently is moving around this level, then you can exit from this kind at these levels, that is 3.971. And after that its prices will start coming down again, and it will try to achieve its final target, that is at 1.607. as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 3.971. as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. The next coin is LDO. If we look at LDO on 1 day time frame, currently it is in this sideways trend where it has a strong support of 1.422, and it has a strong resistance of 2.367. So in sideways trend we have to buy the coin on a strong support level, and after that we have to sell that coin on a stronger resistance level. So if you look at its current prices, these are at 1.684. But if you look at this candle, in this candle this coin has already tested its support level, and after that it has started moving towards its resistance level. And after that currently prices are at 1.683. if you want to go for buying into this coin, then make sure that you get your prices at 1.422. And after that and at this level you can go for buying into this coin, and then you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 1.422. After that your first target will be at 1.888, and your final target will be at 2.367. And if it breaks the strong support level, that is 1.422, then it will simply break its sideways trend and it will enter into its downtrend. So don't forget to put your stop loss below 1.422. The next coin is after LDO, it is INJ. So I am discussing these coins on 1 day time frame. If you want to get their timely alerts, the technical analysis and timely alerts on smaller time frames like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or a 30-minute time frame, for that you can simply join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So if we look at the INJ against the USDC on 1 day time frame. Currently, it is moving in this downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation in this candle on 18.41. After that, it exposed two targets on downside, where its first target was at 13.57 and its final target was at 9.77. So if you look at the wick of this candle has almost achieved its both targets, and as this candle was exactly made on first target, but its wick was very close to its second target. So we can say that this candle has already achieved its both targets. Currently, prices are consolidating at 15.42. If you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin can give you an opportunity to exit from it, and that exit point is at 17.8. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 17.8. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. The next coin is QNT. So if we look at the QNT, it was moving in its sideways trend where it has a support of 95, and it gave the breakdown of this support in this candle. After that, it exposed its two targets on downside, where its first target was 81 and its final target is at 65.62. Currently prices are at 97, and they are retesting its 50 EMA resistance zone. If they fail to give breakout above these levels, then they will simply start coming back towards their downside targets, towards the target towards first target and second targets, and his second target is not achieved yet. So the prices will try to come towards the lower side, and they will try to touch a 65.62 level on downside. So you need to make sure that you are aware for these levels. So if you have bought this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, so this coin is currently giving you a chance to exit from this coin. So if you miss this chance, then you will see that prices will start coming towards its final target, that is 65.62. But if this coin successfully give the breakout above 90, above 100, then this will simply try to go to its previous resistance level, that was at 123.78 level. So that's all for now. See you in next video.